Hi Gemini, welcome to Falcon Tarot. This is a monthly reading for October. How we'll go about with the video is the top row is for you, the bottom row is for your person, but feel free to switch if you like. However, for me, the top row is always for the sign I do the video for. Now let's quickly jump in and see what this particular week has in store for you. So the first card that I see for you is Five of Pentacles, Nine of Wands, and King of Wands. Person B here has the Knight of Swords, Queen of Wands, and the Page of Wands. We'll also see what is the mutual feeling that both of you have, what is the blockage in this relationship, and what is the outcome of this relationship. Now, bottom of the deck, I have Queen of Swords. So somebody is in that energy where if you go ahead and talk to this person, please make sure that you go ahead and tell them everything, or else this person is going to rip you off. Now what I see here from the first set of cards is you have the Five of Pentacles, which means that you're feeling like an outsider. You feel like you were left out in the cold. This person did not bother about you. They don't care about you. Now this has caused a lot of exhaustion to you with this Nine of Wands, and once you are out of this energy, you will move into the King of Wands energy, which is a very strong energy. It's a go-getter energy. So if you faced something, you will make sure that it doesn't happen to you again, and you will make sure that whatever you want in life, you go ahead and get it. That's the energy of the King of Wands. Now person B here, they have the Knight of Swords. Now this is again a very fast moving energy where a person rushes in, delivers the message and walks out. There's no stability, there's no commitment. Okay, so this person is planning to maybe share some information, and they will do it in a fashion where you cannot go ahead and bank on them for commitment and marriage in the future. The other two cards that I see here is Queen of Wands and Page of Wands. Wands energy shows that this person is more inclined towards passion, physical attraction, okay, instead of emotions and compatibility. Now with Queen of Wands, this person is again going to get into the go-getter energy, because this is a couple. I have the King of Wands and the Queen of Wands on this deck, okay. So this is definitely a couple here. Both of you will get into very strong energy, and you would want to go ahead and start again with this Page of Wands energy. It could be with the same person, it could be with a different person also, but you would want to go ahead and start fresh, and you want to go ahead and make sure that eventually you end up having a good time with this person. Now let's see what is the mutual feeling that both of you have. Now that's the King of Swords. Like I said, King and Queen of Swords is a very strong energy. However, the same thing is with a King of Swords energy. When you are in that energy, you expect to know everything. If there's anything which is hidden, you want to know that, and you want to make sure that there is nothing which is hidden, and nobody's hiding anything from you. Because if you get to know this later, you will go ahead and rip that person off. That's the energy of the King or the Queen of Swords. Now let's also go ahead and see what is the blockage. The blockage is the Empress card, which is again a major arcana. For some of you, there is a blockage because maybe there is another fertility pregnancy outside this relationship which is causing a hindrance. For the others, the hindrance or the blockage is the Empress energy, because both of you are not moving up. Okay, maybe you are stagnant, you're not willing to upgrade your energy and work on your chakras. Okay, you will only reach the Empress energy when you work on everything, because Empress energy is that one card where this person has the qualities of all the queens. Now again, irrespective of the gender, when I say qualities of all the queens, which means financially, emotionally, everything, physically, spiritually, you work on every factor in your life, and that's when you get into the Empress energy. So maybe both of you are not willing to go ahead and work on that. Now let's see what is the outcome here. The outcome is the Magician energy. Magician energy again is a major arcana. It's kind of a little tricky, because if this person or whoever gets into this energy, okay, they want to go ahead and misuse that energy, do something which is a little tricky, okay, then they can also do something deceptive as well. So you might want to be a little careful here. Let's see what is the intention of this person here. The first card is Two of Wands, Nine of Swords, and 10 of Cups. Two of Wands means for some people there were two options, okay, and this person has now decided whom they want to go ahead with. Nine of Swords means because of this entire situation, this person is having sleepless nights, and this could be because of 10 of Cups, which means it's a family situation that is involved. Let's also see what is the message from the Moonology Oracle cards for all of you. The message is nothing is yet set in stone, so don't panic, just be a little more patient here. Let's see what is the message from archangels and a crystal that can help you in this situation. So the crystal is Sunstone. The crystal message is, have you been feeling down in the dumps? Do you need some enthusiasm? It is a time for prosperity and purpose. Step into your power and be all that you are meant to be. You are aligned with the magnificence and the courage to show your splendor. With this, there's also a message here which is from Archangel Ariel, which I'll put in the description box. You can read it from there. That's all that I have for you for this particular video. If you like the content, please like, share, subscribe, hit that bell notification. Until the next video, stay safe, love yourself first.